Ebusia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. Ebusia, this is your humble servant right here, Top Gossip 24. Yesterday, I posted a video, and I just want to make sure I give you guys the other half of the video. I told you guys, I said I'm going to post a video about that, and I ask you guys to remember me that at least I have to make a video that this is what is going on in Ehinetu's kingdom. Okay, this is what is going on. Ewo atasa fiho. So listen to me carefully and then follow me, because there have been so many stuff. 2026, I told you guys, I said there will be a lot of things that will be coming up, and we'll make sure we'll update you guys back to back to back. Now, the information we have for you guys is this. Just when Dr. Hassan Ayariga was interviewed by Kwekwana, something happened. Ewo Chuku de Jude Fio. Today, I'm going to give you guys all the filler I've heard so far, and what my ghost team have told me is what I'm coming to pour out here, okay? Now, there be a sending American information reaching us. Ewaha. And I'm you know exactly where I'm coming from. Now, I will read one or two articles. After the articles, I will then show you a picture of something. I told you guys Rodney Gogo was trying to leave, or when Rodney Gogo left Chuku de Jude, or write a letter to Chuku de Jude that he is leaving, there were a lot of emotional stuff that happened. Sometimes you need to understand certain emotions and how people communicate their emotions. Some people communicate their emotions through videos. Some communicate theirs through Facebook. Some communicate theirs through Instagram. Some communicate theirs through other forms. And so today, I'm going to tell you a couple of stuff. And I'll show you pictures of what is going on in Agogo or Gogo's studio, okay? Rodney's studio. I'll show you also what is going on there. So when I say something, you believe me. Because look, if you said you've resigned from somebody's job, how then do you create a studio and then you have something there showing? So you guys will believe me if you've not watched the video that I posted out there yesterday about what Agogo or Gogo or Rodney is going to be doing coming 2026 and upward, the work he's going to be doing for Chuku de Jude. Please go and watch that video. After you watch that video, then when you watch this, you will definitely understand where I'm coming from. Now let me read this one for you, and whatever I'm going to read, I will share it so you also know and you also understand, okay? Saying goodbye is never easy. Listen, saying goodbye is never easy. It comes with silence, memory, and questions that stay longer than we expect. But sometimes goodbye is not weakness. It is wisdom. It is choosing peace over endless pain. Okay, growing over familiarities. Okay, let's continue to read. And self-respect over emotional exhaustion. Not every problem can be fixed with words or patience. Some are solved by distance, okay, acceptance, and the courage to let go. Okay, when goodbye becomes necessary, trust that it is making room for healing, clarity, and better days ahead. Now, who wrote this? This is coming from who? This is something that emanated, or this is something that is coming out from somebody who is emotionally stressed, emotionally disturbed, emotionally not able to control certain things, and he feel like it's about time to let go. And he's saying that saying goodbye is what sometimes the best way to solve it. Now, I have questions. The first question I want to ask, who is Chuku de Jude saying goodbye to? Who is Chuku de Jude saying going quiet on? Who is Chuku de Jude separating himself with? These are questions And these questions demand answers. And I'm looking for the answers, but I'll give you one or two of the answers. And remember me, the other answers will come, okay? I'll give you some of the answers. Now, he's saying that it is good sometimes to say goodbye, because some of the goodbye will give you more clarity, give you more enough peace in your heart, because sometimes it's not about weakness. Now the question is, who is Chuku the Jew saying goodbye to? Who is he saying goodbye to? Okay, now this is your humble servant here. Clap for me. Kase fila oh fila. Ebusia, the fila that have coding to us in our decks allegedly or purportedly, there are a couple of people, the inner circle of Chuku the Jude. Some of them are moving out. Now, there's something cooking out there. I told you guys to say, Yanshana awarejaye, hear me say, Yanshana den awarejaye, min kasebium. All that I'm saying is that settings inner circle of Chuku the Jude, there are things tearing apart. He tried to put it together, but it's not coming. Okay, let me just tell you that certain people within the inner circle tearing apart. There are about 5 answers on that message now. There are 5 of them. There are also some people in government. Chuku the Jude have trusted them, believed them, thought that they will help him, but now those people are walking away. Mukaya, Dr. Hassan Ayariga can say he's been calling people, he's been trying to reach on people, he's been trying to call people to help, and nobody is helping. Now he's been trying to reach out to people in the police headquarters, trying to reach out to people in immigration, trying to reach out to people in big hierarchy in government. But to be honest with you, as I speak, guys, what is going on? And because of the emotions now all go through all those things no now according to what I'm hearing, Chuku the Jude is thinking, should I stay in Ghana? Should I leave Ghana? Should I go to Nigeria with my wife? Should I go and stay with my brother? One of Chukudi's brother, a reverend, okay? One of them a reverend, one of them a architecture, one of them a engineer. I know he has almost 4 brothers or 5 brothers with 1 sister, and to our family no a 7. Now there's another one what do you call a business mugu, and I'll tell you guys what that business mugu guy is doing in Ghana. Remember me, so I'll come and make a video about that. That Chuku the Jude brother, who is a business mugu, allegedly is in Ghana and he's doing 1 or 2 business, and he is the one who is pushing things on government. And so hold on tight, sit, and then I will come and give you the name of that person, what the person is doing, what the person seeks to achieve, and his ways of doing things around in Ghana. One of his brothers. Now, quickly, I will tell you guys to say there's a lot of emotional fights. There's a lot of emotional stress. There's a lot of emotional work. I told you guys, I'm sure now hinti be a koso, minti mi huase be en koso. We cannot sleep together be a koso. People sleeping in different rooms be a koso. All these things, no. Allegedly, I mean, Sakaya, I mean, ghost team, a mame, say, Chuku the Jude is in a hot soup. But the hot soup, no, Sisiano, Bibia, Kosobiano, I am emotional. And Tiana or Kakrana Wakan wants him. The way of planning, say, obeying in Yama Wagana, flamboyantly, showing himself out, throwing everything about. Esan say, the Concerned Youth Alliance have been on his case. Esan said Dr. Hassan Ayariga, any Kwekwana has been on his case. Esan said there have been reportage about him vis-a-vis whether it is Yoko, whether it is FBI or all that. He's thinking about what to do, and that is the reason for which Rodney is doing the side work. Now let me tell you, Rodney is supposed to do the dirty work of him, right? But essence Rodney Adani Adiano says he's doing chieftaincy issue, and those things now is just by the way to start what he want to do. I'm telling you guys, if everything's cemented well, Rodney Agogo will start doing that job. Okay, he will start doing that job. But I'm telling you, sir, after Rodney left, there were a lot of things that were happening out there, and there were a lot of issues. The scarcity, he said, they thought, sir, Rodney will go and throw out most of the information about out there. That's what he thought. So now he's trying to close that inner gap, and that is what I told you. If you see the picture of Rodney's studio, you see at the right corner, when you check at the right corner behind, you see the picture of Chuku the Jude Ehinetu there. And that will tell you, said the guy is in for something and is about to do something. If he decides to wait, then it is because Chuku the Jude is having a lot of emotional stress, a lot of emotional issues, a lot of things that are going on, because the people he believes that will help him out to curb the issues that are going on for him, no, se se ano munina ofra mo munfa, se se ofra munfa, se se awaye basa enote. So guys, this is the latest information I have for you. Chuku the Jude writes the when I'm it is from him, and I'm asking, who is Chuku the Jude about to distance himself with? Who is the youth embody the firearms? Because he believe on some police officers, some immigration big hooks. I told you, Mr. Chuku the Jude, if you are dealing with Ghanaians, don't think that the fight is over. It is going to be more than you thought. 2026, you see more than you thought. Guys, manya fila bi na fila no, it's about then land na Chuku the Jude son toy, no. I'll come and give you the name of the place, the estate developer, and who is doing what and what is going on. Remember, stay with me on this platform, Top Gossip 24. So I'm here to tell you, say, Chuku the Jude is going through a lot of emotional stress, and that is the letter that I read to you, and you see it by my side. Read it by yourself and see what is going on. Where is he heading to, and who is he separating himself to, and what is going on? More fire. Can say what? Fila. Bye for now.